நீங்கள் பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் கதிர் டிவி.
Kavita, where is mom? I'm very hungry. Dora, wait for some time. Mom will come soon. She will bring us something to eat. Mom, I am very hungry.
Oh dear, I didn't get any work. Nothing is left at home. No rice, even to prepare kanji. After my father's death, I am unable to run the family as he did. I'll go and get some rice from my neighbor and prepare food for you, okay?
Hello Kavita, happy to see you. Why didn't you come to school for nearly a week? I miss you a lot.
Our friend Pooja too came and asked me the other day.
Our teacher is very much worried about you. I think she may come to your house tomorrow.
I'm afraid I do not know what she would say. Ma'am, this is Kavita's house.
Oh, is it?
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, Kavita. Ma'am, please take your seat.
It's okay. Hello Kavita, how are you? What happened to you? Are you not well?
No, ma'am. My mother is the only breadwinner of our family. She feels if I go for work, it will be a great help. So she didn't allow me to go to school.
No, never Kavita. Where is your mother? I'll talk to her.
Ma'am, please.
Thank you. Who are you?
I'm Kavita's sister.
Oh, what is your name?
My name is Dora.
Oh, Dora, good name. Whose land is this?
It is our land.
Oh,
Mom, our teacher has come.
Welcome teacher.
Amma, vanakkam. Just now I was talking about you. I'm interested in her studies. Let us find a solution to continue her studies.
I too, but my family situation.
I happen to know that this land is your property. Is it?
Yes.
You can use this land for family farming. Let Kavita go to school and take care of this farming in the evening. You can grow drumstick trees, jasmine flowers, pumpkins, bottle gourds, bitter gourds, tomatoes and ladies' fingers.
I don't have any idea about farming, but I am interested in it. Will you please help me to know more?
Yes, of course. Tomorrow there is a meet conducted by Indian organic farmers. Let us attend that and get more information about it.
Yeah, thank you teacher.
Kavita, you are coming to school from tomorrow, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Indian Organic Farmers Meet. Mr. Namarwar, Mr. Palanisamy, Mr. Swaminathan, and Mrs. Gantimati are role models in practicing organic farming. Shall we put our hands together to welcome them? May I kindly welcome Mr. Palanisamy to say a few words.
Family farming is a means of organizing agricultural, forestry, fisheries, pastoral and aquacultural production which is managed and operated by a family and predominantly reliant on family labor.
Thank you, Mr. Palaniswamy, for your valuable words. Dear friends, if you have any doubts, you can clarify.
Sir, why is family farming important?
Family farming preserves traditional food products while contributing to a balanced diet and safeguarding the world's agrobiodiversity and the sustainable use of natural resources. After I started practicing organic methods, I have realized personally that my expenditure has drastically come down. In addition, these organic inputs have helped to realize the fertility of my soil.
Thank you, sir. May I kindly welcome Mrs. Gantimati to share her experience. With pleasure. Many farmers tell me that they have faced losses in their crop yield. Some of them were even toying with ideas of selling their lands to clear their debts. When I seek the reason, they tell me that they have used more chemical fertilizers in their land to increase the yield, but were disappointed when they could not get the desired harvest. Whose children have done agriculture? No. Why? Many youngsters of this age wish to do only white collar jobs, and that too, they are not ready to take any risk. They want to lead a sophisticated life. If this continues, the future of India will be a big question mark. So, let us make people aware of organic farming.
Thank you, Mrs. Gandhimati, for sharing your experience.
Welcome.
May I kindly request our Indian organic farming scientist, Mr. Nammalwar, the chief guest of this meet, to share something on organic farming.
Good evening, everybody. Dear friends, I am happy to see you all. Farmers are the backbone of our country. We should rely only minimally on external input. All inputs should come from within the farm. So-called waste should be recycled and used as input. I am greatly influenced by Paulo Freire and Vinoba Bhave and their theories on education.
What is the necessity of education in farming?
Yes, that is a good question. The purpose of education should be freedom. Freedom is essentially self-reliance. Self-sufficiency means that one should not depend on others for one's daily bread. Secondly, one should have developed the power to acquire knowledge for oneself. And last but not the least, a man should be able to rule himself, to control his thoughts and feelings.
Sir, what can we do to increase the fertility of soil?
Beneficial microorganisms and earthworms improve yield and soil fertility. Much of the crop loss and farmer suicides happen only in areas where there is monocropping and excess chemical fertilizer usage. Can you ever show me an instance of failure in multi-cropping or in organic farming?
There is a problem of labor shortage.
True, but show me a place where there is no labor shortage. Organic practices are not labor intensive. Particularly now, there is a labor shortage in most villages. Even big companies dispensing good pay packets face this difficulty. It is a global problem. If a farmer decides to go organic, he must be prepared to work himself. So, let us start farming with this healthy note.
Shall we give Mr. Nammalwar a big round of applause? I hope that this meet has been very useful for you. As we have known the advantages of organic farming, let us practice it. Thank you. Vani, see the brinjals.
Definitely, there will be at least 3 kilos.
Dora, see the tomatoes. I am sure at least it will be 4 kilos. How glad we are. See, there is a basket of green chilies.
Chellam, see these ladies' fingers. They are tender like your fingers.
I am very happy to see all these fresh vegetables.
Yes, a few days back, our parents had not enough money to buy even 100 grams of these vegetables.
First of all, we have to thank our teacher. It is all because of your idea. We would not have cultivated these vegetables with this pleasure.
It's your hard work. We have got a good yield. Do you sell these vegetables? If so, I'll buy some. Yes, of course. We'll be happy to sell them. Will you please inform this to your friends? Sure. I tell my friend about these green fresh vegetables.
Mom, why can't we grow some useful trees in this empty space?
Yes, of course. We shall plant some drumstick trees, coconut trees and palm trees.
Palm trees? Do you know to collect palmyra juice?
Why not? I will climb up the tree and collect the juice.
Uncle, I have tasted palmyra juice. I like it very much. It is a healthy drink. We can make jaggery, which is harmless comparing sugar.
Okay, we shall grow all these trees and improve our status also.
Welcome, Mr. Namalwar. We are indeed happy to have you here. I am also happy to see this fruitful Eid. Dear friends, why don't we all practice organic farming? Practice organic farming. Have a good Eid. Thank you.
நீங்கள் பார்த்துக் கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் கதிர் டிவி.